Justin from Bittner-Built, and this is the Milwaukee Fuel M18 10-inch pole saw with quick lock, model number 2825-20PS. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Inside the box, we have the quick lock power head, the 3-foot attachment bar, and the pole saw attachment. We also have a shoulder strap, the instructions, and the loose parts to be able to attach the handle to the power head. Both bars have textured rubber grips. The quick lock system is intuitive. Insert the poles until it clicks, and then tighten the screw on the side. The saw head is 9.5 inches from the branch hook to the tip of the saw. Labeled is the replacement information for both the bar and chain. The chain moves at 4,600 RPM, and the gauge of the chain is 0.043 inches. The saw is very quiet. I have not reduced the sound at all. It cuts through small branches very quickly. Delimbing a tree branch is very easy with this saw and very safe with the blade far away from you. While not the typical use for this saw, larger logs can be cut as long as they do not exceed 9.5 inches. So that was the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Pole Saw with quick lock, model 2825-20PS. I'm Justin Bittner, and if you'd like to see a full, in-depth review of this saw, along with my honest opinions, you can find that video on my YouTube channel, Bittner-Built, for woodworking videos and tool reviews. And of course, you can find the best prices anywhere on this saw with our sponsor, SafetySourceSupply.com. This saw normally retails for $2.99, but at the taping of this video, SafetySourceSupply.com has it on sale for $2.45. They have amazing prices on major tool brands up to 50% off retail price. So check them out at SafetySourceSupply.com. Stay safe in the shop, and I'll see you in the next video.